sorry I didn't get here sooner. I didn't get your messages until just now because I was caught in this time travel loop, and honestly, it was the strangest thing that's ever happened to me. Make that the second strangest. I spent so much time searching, looking for something more. Digging holes too deep and opening every door. And when you stand too close, yeah, the picture's never clear. And when you look too far away, it all but disappears. And it was right there in front of me. Oh, oh, just too close for me to see. Oh, oh, sometimes the things you want are not the things you need. And it was right there in front of me. There was a time before I didn't know where I belonged. I thought I needed more and that I couldn't get along. But who I am was all I ever needed. And when I faced that test, I finally succeeded. And it was right there in front of me. Oh, oh, just too close for me to see. Oh, oh, sometimes the things you want are not the things you need. And it was right there in front of me. And it's all I'll ever need. And it was right there in front of me. And it's all I'll ever need. And it was right there in front of me.
Are you okay?
Okay. I'm definitely wounded now, so I'm gonna really need that extraction big papa.
I'll tell you what, sit tight, I'm coming to get you.
I'm also, if you don't mind, if you bring a couple of pints of blood as well.
Lock.
I'm doing my blood type.
What's your blood type?
Let's be positive, just like my life outlook. Imagine that.
Lock. Jesus,
I'm bleeding a lot. I'm bleeding so much right now. No, actually, wait, hold on a second. That's not my blood. No, that's not my blood. Oh god, I thought it was me. By the way, I stabbed a guy with a brick. How crazy is that? It turns out it's not that hard.
Steady.
Dad?
Thanks, boy. Steady. Woo!